Hello and good morning, fourth grade. Today we are going to be talking about a new song in our book. But before we get started with that, I want to make sure that you've taken the opportunity to record yourself playing Hot Cross Buns. If you haven't done that yet, please do that this week. And the way that you upload that assignment is if you log into your Google Classroom, you can click the arrow at the bottom where it has your video submission and then upload your media by adding an attachment from your camera roll. So hopefully you don't have any questions about that. If you do, then feel free to email me. I will be out of the building for the next several days. So if you have already done that part, this next part is for you. All right, I've got my recorder, I have my pencil, my water's over here, and I also have my book. And if you have all of those things, then you are ready to start your recorder practice. Remember to ask permission from your parent or guardian before you start playing. And we're gonna go ahead and start in our book on page number 7. At the bottom of page 7, there's a song called Rolling Merrily. That's right where we're gonna start today. And if you look into the music, there are 2 measures that don't have any notes in them. So that's where we're going to start by filling out some of those notes. I've got my handy dandy pencil, so I'm all ready and set to fill out my notes. The very first one, right on Mare, is on the 3rd line of the staff, which makes it a B. That's right, every good boy. Remember, we only have to write them in temporarily until we get really, really good at it. And then we can kind of go away from writing them in. But for right now, it's going to really help us if we do that. So the next note is on the 2nd space. Remember, in a space, we use face. So that would be right, an A. The 3rd note of the first measure is on the 2nd line of the staff, which makes it a G. And the last note of the first measure, we've already seen it's on the 2nd space, and that makes it an A. Now the next 3 notes of the 2nd measure are all the same. They're all on the 3rd line, which we said was a B. So far we have B, A, G, A, B, B, B. The next 3 notes are the same as well, but they're different from the other measures. That's right, they're on the 2nd space, so they're an A. And then the last measure of the very first line is B again. That's right. So our entire first line should be B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, B, B. If that's what you have, then you are absolutely correct. The next 2 measures are empty. And if you look above, you'll notice something really similar. The words "Merrily we roll along" are also at the beginning of the music. So now we're going to draw in our notes B, A, G, A, B, 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 because those are the same exact notes as the very first 2 measures. So on the 2nd line, we have B, A, G, A in all quarter notes. Remember, the stem is going to go on the right side and the note head is going to go on the left side for this. The next one is B, 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 just like we did above. Now the last 2 measures are completely different. The last 2 measures start on the 2nd space, which is A, and then another A, then B, A, and G, and that's the entire song. So all of our notes are from the beginning: B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, 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 A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G. If you have all of those correct, then that's awesome. You're ready to move to the next step, which is clapping the rhythm. All right, I'm ready to go and clap my rhythms carefully. So let's try to keep that steady beat and clap the rhythm of Merrily We Roll Along, or Rolling Merrily, together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you clap all of the same rhythms that I did? Awesome. Then you're ready to move on to fingering your notes and saying them as we go with our steady beat. Got my recorder on my neck strap and I'm ready to go with my fingering and my notes. So make sure that you have a way to mark your left hand so that you know that it goes on top. So I already have a watch. I already know that that one's my left. So let's get started, and our first note is B. So we're going to put thumb and first finger down. That's B. To get to A, we add our second, and then G is at our third, and then we have to lift up our third to go back to A. So let's try that first measure one more time really slow. B, A, G, A. Then we got to go to B. So we're going to lift up our second finger. B, 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 add your second, A, A, A. And that's the whole first line. So let's do the entire first line together one more time. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, 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 B, B, B. Excellent. So the next two measures are the same as the very first two that we already learned. So we remember B, A, G, A, B, 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 but the second two measures are different. So we're going to start with A, lift the second finger up, B, add the second finger back down, A, and then add your third finger for G, and make sure that you hold that for 4 beats because it is a whole note. So let's try the entire song together, fingering and saying the notes as they go. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, 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 B, 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 A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G. Excellent. Now we're ready to play from the very beginning, but remember there's no repeats. So now that I'm ready to play, I'm going to start from the very beginning and play it all the way through. And if you can finger along with me, then you are ready to play on your own. The second track is going to be just me counting out the rhythm so that you can play over top of that. So make sure that you play the second time and feel free to practice as many times as you need. So this is Rolling Merrily. One, two, you try and go. Awesome. I'm really proud of you. Make sure that you keep practicing both Rolling Merrily and Hot Cross Buns, and I'll hopefully see you sometime soon. Bye.